Hello Warriors, it's Miss Ryan again. I just wanted to show you how you could request to become a member of Book Club. So once you are on the Riverdale's website and once you have found the library website, go ahead and click on Book Club. This is where you will find all the information we have. So this year we are meeting through Zoom. Our meetings are the third Thursday of the month, so it will tell you when we are meeting. No, we are meeting at 6 p.m. If you cannot be online at that time, you can still participate through Teams. We will have Flipgrid and Padlet areas that you can post as well. You do get one copy of the book that you choose for free. So for September, you get a choice. You can either read Black Brother by Joel Parker Rhodes or March. So this one is actually a graphic novel. So you select one or the other and let us know through this form and you will get a free copy of the book. So same thing for October, you choose one. And actually A Good Girl's Guide to Murder will be an audiobook. So you select which one. So if you want to request membership, go ahead and click here and we will get our books out as soon as possible. Thanks guys.